At Piedmont Triad International, there is a hotspot that needs your attention, and missing it can result in damage to property, extra fuel costs, and external services being needed. The problem usually starts like this.
Go shoot PD 135 ground, runway 23 left, taxi via Kilo 6.
Kilo 6 to 23 left, please, from 135.
Taxi runway 23 left, Kilo 6. It sounds simple enough from the tower, but it may look different from the cockpit. This is what taxiway Kilo, heading towards runway 23 left, looks like from the cockpit. Taxiway Kilo does not end parallel with the beginning of runway 23 left, but extends well beyond it, going into the FedEx ramp and hangar area. The sign for the Kilo 6 intersection is on the left, and there is also a 23 left surface painted directional sign on the right-hand side of the taxiway. If the Kilo 6 turn is missed, it may cause lengthy delays. Large aircraft may not be able to turn around under their own power and may need permission and require extra services, like a tug, to turn around on the FedEx ramp. If a large aircraft attempts to turn around on the FedEx ramp area, significant risk may be introduced by jet blast or other damage that may ensue from an unscheduled entry into the area. So what can you do? Be aware of Hotspot 1. The intersection of Kilo 6 is the turn to the beginning of runway 23 left. As you are taxiing on Kilo for departure on runway 23 left, keep the FedEx hangar area in view on your left, and be aware that Kilo 6 is your final intersection to the beginning of runway 23 left. Maintain vigilance. The intersection of Kilo 6 is the last point along taxiway Kilo for aircraft to access the runway 23 left threshold.